Hello everyone. We're going to take a look at doing calculating the least common multiple using mental math or your expertise in multiplication math facts. We are looking at unit 2.4b, least common multiple with mental math. So our first problem is to find the least common multiple of 12 and 8, and then the second, find the least common multiple of 20 and 8. So let's take a look and see how that's done. Least common multiple of 12 and 8. So first we're going to compare the two numbers and take the larger one. And then we're going to think about skip counting by 12s. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96. And while we're doing that, we're going to ask ourselves if we encountered a number that 8 divides evenly into. So let's try that again. We have 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. Is 24 divisible by 8? The answer is yes. So 24 will work as the least common multiple for these two. Let's do the same with the numbers 20 and 8. So 20 is larger than 8, so we're going to skip count. 20, is 20 divisible by 8? No, it's not. And so if you're lucky, this number itself will be divisible by the smaller number, and that will be your least common multiple. So 20 plus 20 is 40, and is 40 divisible by 8? So if you know your multiplication table backwards, you'll know that yes, 40 works. And so 40 is the smallest number that 20 and 8 go into evenly. Let's try those answers and see how it works. First answer was 24. Second answer was 40. See how we did? There's 1. And there's 2. Let's do a similar question just for fun. 10 and 15. And the other, let's get a similar question. 8 and 10. All right, 8 and 10. So let's go back to the tablet. 8 and 10 was our 10 and 15 was the first group. So we're going to take 15. And does 10 go into 15 evenly? No. So 15 times 2 is 30. Does 10 go into 30 evenly? Yes. So 30 will be our LCM. And let's move on to the next one. So we have 8 and 10. Does 8 go into 10 evenly? No. Does 8 go into 20 evenly? No. Does 8 go into 30 evenly? No. Does 8 go into 40 evenly? Yes. So 40 is our least common multiple for 8 and 10. So interesting. Similar to our last one, least common multiple of 8 and 20 and 8 and 10 is 40. So let's put in those answers and move on. 40. Well, that's all. That answer's already in there. Oh, there we go. So try these on your own and work a couple of similar problems if you can. And next we'll be looking at using prime factorization to find the least common multiple.